Hi everybody, today I want to tell you a little bit about the trigger and decode functionality of RTH. The RTH is our portable scope, which has 4 isolated input channels with up to 500 megahertz. It also has digital inputs and some very helpful functionalities like data logging, for example, or an integrated spectrum analyzer mode. Today I want to tell you about trigger and decode analysis, and as you can see here, I have applied a CAN H signal. So let me just change the coupling to AC and bring the signal up a little bit so you can see a little bit in more detail what is happening here. As you can see, you have some data running through, but you can't really see what it actually is. So when you hit bus, the serial bus analysis protocol mode pops up, and if you activate it, you have several parameters you need to set. So for this we choose CAN and go into the configuration. So source is channel 1 up here, and I select CAN H because that's the signal I apply, and I can also find the trigger level automatically, 154 millivolts in this case. So and if I go back, I can already see some data running through. If I zoom out, I can see the bit content. So if you want to change the trigger condition, you can also go back to this serial bus menu, go to trigger, and here you can set trigger type, for example, CAN trigger, error condition, and down here you can choose all the different types of error that can occur and that you can trigger on. If you want to see more of the decoded data, you can go to mode and protocol. And if you hit this one, you will see a table with all the data already analyzed, where it shows also the values of the bits that is triggering at. So this is all I wanted to show you about the trigger and decode capabilities of our RTH handheld oscilloscope. Come to our website to check out more. Thanks for watching.